everybody, it's Alan at NWSG, and I want to go over our putting greens really quick with you so you get an idea of what makes us different than our competitors. So first up, this is the green we use. This green's manufactured in the United States. What's awesome about this green is a lot of the greens, especially ones manufactured overseas, they want to expand. When the green expands, you're going to get that ripple in your green. Obviously, you don't want that. Another great feature is you can see the backing of this product compared to an overseas product. So this product has stitch rows all in one direction. And what I find over time is with the overseas product, the balls get a track on one line compared to our green, which has a cross stitch to it. So the ball never tracks on that one line. It gives it the most realistic putt. We'll move on down here. Furthermore, our flag set here, so we use a sleeve and a cup system. What's important about the sleeve is we're able to sink this into the foundation. This allows greater stability and support for the putt. So you can imagine if you just had this in the ground, you could easily move this, but we put this deep into the foundation. So this is the sleeve, and then the cup can go right on top of it, and it sits in and it provides more support. We also have a cool product which is a plug. So if you don't want to use your green and you don't want people tripping over the holes, you can put the plug in. We put a piece of synthetic grass on top of the plug, and the plug just sits in top of your cup here. So if this is something you're interested in or after, give me a shout, send me a text. I'm definitely here to help you out.